Buktong Negros Salon. Himamaylan is known for its rich agriculture, particularly in rice and sugarcane, which serves as the source for the production of sugar and ethanol for export. Hamungaya sa Himaya is a costume that signifies gratitude for a bountiful harvest in Himamaylan, formerly known as Himaya. Beyond the green lashes of Himamaylan lies its marine majesty, with abundant cultivation of seashells, shrimp, and fish. This serves as proof that Himamaylan is a paradise of natural products, both on land and at sea, that is actually depicted in the Himamaylan seal. Sa Himaya, mahumangayaon ang kabuhi sa kaditaan kag kadagatan. Designer, John Anthony P. Bermudez.